How to add border to emails on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add border to your emails using Canva. Begin by opening the Canva app on your mobile device and navigate to the home page. Once you reach there, tap on the plus icon at the center bottom of the screen and select a photo from your gallery. This will take you to the editing space. At the top of the editing screen, locate the Edit Photo option and tap on it. In the menu that appears, choose the Effects option below. Then here, select Shadows. Within the Shadows menu, you will find three options, and along with that you will see Outline option. Go ahead and tap on it to apply a border to your image. Now if you want to customize the border further, tap on the Outline option again, and you can adjust the size, angle, intensity and color of the border to your preference. Once you are satisfied with the customization, tap on the Save option at the top of the screen to save your changes. When saving, you will be presented with three options, whether to save to your Canva, use in a design, or download to your device. Choose the appropriate option based on your preference. If you select download, wait for the process to complete, then navigate to your gallery to view the emails with the added border. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.